Southeast Alaska. Gold Belt Tramway is owned and operated by Gold Belt Inc., which is a local Alaska Native corporation. We were built on August 10th, 1996. We will be passing through an Alaska temperate rainforest, which averages 90 inches of rain and 100 inches of snow per year. Some of the trees you may notice are the western hemlock, the Sitka spruce, and red oak. The Sitka spruce gets its name from a Tlingit island called Shiatakakat. It has since been changed to Baranof Island. It has small, sharp tines, but it is the largest spruce in the world. So fittingly, it's the state tree of Alaska. The western hemlock are similar-looking trees with the droopy tops. The Tlingit people found this wood handy for making utensils and combs. The red alder are the green leafy trees you see. Its uses include smoking salmon. After the summer harvest, much of the food was preserved and stored. As you venture down to the Sky Bridge, we have Gold Belt Tram Gifts. This is truly one of Juneau's finest gift shops. It features a gallery of genuine artifacts based on the Tlingit culture here in Southeast Alaska. It features many local natives. It plays at the top and the bottom of the island.